Electrical installation and maintenance. Our topic for today is common wire splices and joints. The common wire splices and joint. Introduction. As a student in electrical installation and maintenance, you should acquire the important knowledge and skills in wire splices and joints, and should be familiar with the actual application of every splice and joint. This will serve as your tool in performing actual wiring installation. Of course, another factor is the knowledge in interpreting and analyzing the wiring diagram, especially if the circuit is complicated. One of the most common wire splices and joints is the rat tail or pigtail. This kind of joint is commonly used to join two or more conductors inside the junction box. It is suitable for service where there is no mechanical stress when wires are to be connected in an outlet box, switch, or conduit fitting. The next common wire splice is the Y-splice. This method of wrapping is generally used on small cables because the strands are flexible and can be wrapped in one operation. Next is the knotted tap joint. This is used where the tap wire is under heavy tensile stress. The plain tap joint. This is used where the tap wire is under considerable tensile stress circuit. The aerial tap. This is a temporary tap, usually done in construction sites. The easy twist will facilitate tap wire movement. The duplex cross joint. This is a two-tap wire. Turns simultaneously and is used where the two-tap wire is under heavy tensile stress. The Western Union short tie splice. This is the most widely used splice or joint in interior wiring installation to extend the length of wire from one point to another. The Western Union long tie splice. This is used extensively for outside wiring to extend the length of wire from one end to another. The cross joint. The same application is done as in plain tap, and the only difference is that this tap is a combination of two plain taps placed side by side with each other. The wrapped tap or T-joint. This is used on large solid conductors where it is difficult to wrap the heavy tap wire around the main wire. Our next topic is the extension cord. The extension cord. An extension cord is a span of flexible electrical power cable with plug on one end and multiple sockets on the other end. It comes in several varieties to suit the needs of the user. One of the most important considerations is the power handling capacity to make it safe and functional. Electrical gadgets are product of modern technology to make our life better. The number of electrical gadgets available at home and in offices may exceed the existing convenience outlet installed in every room. The best remedy to address the insufficiency of available outlet is to use an extension cord, especially if the electrical gadgets need to operate at the same time. The following are some examples of extension cords.